Think you know the best places to see the northern lights? You can forget the shoulder-to-shoulder crowds in Iceland and the pre-packaged glass igloos in Finland. There's a whole other world of aurora viewing out there that offers more magic, more adventure, and way fewer tourists. Here's a list of the top 7 aurora spots your travel agent probably doesn't even know. Get ready to rethink that bucket list. Kicking off our list is a destination that proves you don't need to venture into the Arctic wilderness to see the show. We're heading to northern Scotland, UK, often overlooked in favor of its Nordic neighbors, Scotland's northernmost regions, like the Shetland and Orkney Islands, offer a fantastic chance to see what locals call the Miri dancers. These islands lie closer to the North Pole than any other part of Britain, and their dark, open landscapes are free from major light pollution. While not a guaranteed nightly event, the aurora can be spotted here September to March when the nights are long. Catching the lights swirling above ancient standing stones or rugged sea cliffs is a truly mystical experience that feels worlds away from a typical tourist trip. Next up, a destination that proves you don't need a Nordic passport stamp to see the lights. We're heading to northern Minnesota, USA. Seriously, while the Arctic Circle gets all the attention, the northern edge of the US, especially along the dark shores of Lake Superior and within Voyageurs National Park, can offer a stunning chance to see the aurora. A travel agent won't mention this because it's not a guaranteed year-round show like it is farther north. It takes a good solar storm to get things going. For anyone in the lower 48, it's an accessible and incredibly rewarding trip. Just imagine standing on the shore of the world's largest freshwater lake as green pillars of light dance above you. It's pure, unexpected magic right in America's backyard. For our number 5 spot, we're visiting a place with a secret meteorological weapon, Abisko, Sweden. While Swedish Lapland is no secret, Abisko is special, tucked deep inside the Arctic Circle. It has a unique microclimate known as the Blue Hole of Abisko. The surrounding mountains create a rain shadow, tearing a hole in the clouds and giving Abisko more clear nights than almost anywhere else in the Aurora Belt. A travel agent might sell you a generic Lapland trip, but they often miss the significance of this specific spot. Here, your chances of seeing the aurora are incredibly high. Not just because of the latitude, but because the sky is scientifically more likely to be clear. Now that you know a few great spots, let's revisit the science. The science, in short, is it's a cosmic light show. The sun sends out a constant stream of charged particles known as the solar wind. When these particles reach Earth, most are deflected by our planet's magnetic field, but some get captured and funneled towards the poles. These captured particles then collide with gas, atoms, and molecules in our atmosphere. The different colors you see depend on which gas is being excited. Oxygen gives off the common green and sometimes red, while nitrogen can create hints of purple or blue. Our number 4 spot is a place you've definitely seen in pictures, but probably not for the Northern Lights. Let's talk about the Lofoten Islands, Norway. These islands are legendary for their jagged, dramatic mountains that just plunge straight into the ocean. This is a great summer hiking spot and a world-class aurora destination. Why? The coastal weather can be a bit of a gamble. But that's exactly what makes it a hidden gem for photographers. Between September and March, when the sky's clear, you get a show that is truly next level. The aurora, reflecting in the calm fjord waters, framed by those iconic peaks, is a sight that makes the usual tourist spots feel a world away. Next, we have a city that some insiders call the best place on Earth to see the aurora. Yet it's still somehow overshadowed by its European cousins, Yellowknife, Canada. Deep in the Northwest Territories of Canada, Yellowknife sits smack dab under the auroral oval. Add in its flat landscape and reliably clear weather, and you have an unbelievably high chance of seeing the lights up to 240 nights a year. Forget crossing your fingers and hoping the clouds part in Iceland. Yellowknife almost always delivers. Why isn't it on every travel brochure? It's a bit more remote and less built up for mass tourism, which is precisely why you should go. Here, you can watch the lights from a heated teepee, go dog sledding under a shimmering sky, and feel a real connection to the vast wild north. Before we get to our final two, if seeing the northern nor southern lights is on your dream list, go ahead and hit that like button. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on more secrets the travel industry doesn't always share. And drop a comment below, which of these spots would you go to first? Now we have to flip the globe on its head. We're leaving the aurora borealis behind to chase the aurora australis on Stewart Island, New Zealand. That's right, the Southern Lights. This is an option so unique, most don't even know about it. Stewart Island, or Rakiura, in the Mbori language, literally translates to the land of glowing skies. It's an official dark sky sanctuary with some of the most pristine night skies left on Earth. While the Southern Lights can be a bit more elusive than their northern counterpart, seeing them from this rugged remote island is an almost spiritual experience. Over 85% of the island is a national park, meaning you'll be watching the show in near total solitude. It's the ultimate wildcard for a serious aurora chaser. And finally, a place so far north it's closer to the North Pole than to the rest of Europe. We're talking about the Svalbard archipelago, Norway. Welcome to the absolute frontier of aurora hunting. From mid-November to the end of January, Svalbard is in a constant state of polar night. That means 24-hour darkness. The sun never rises. This makes Svalbard the only inhabited place on Earth where you can potentially see the daytime aurora. Seeing the northern lights swirl over a landscape of glaciers and knowing you're in polar bear country is an experience for the true explorer. It's challenging, it's extreme, and it is absolutely unforgettable. This isn't a vacation, it's an expedition to the top of the world. So, from the unexpected skies of Scotland to the edge of the world in Svalbard, the planet is full of hidden stages for its greatest performance. Often, the most rewarding travel experiences are the ones you have to dig a little deeper to find for yourself. Thanks for watching, and let us know where you dream to visit.